In this session, you will learn how to scan a unit's QR code and initiate a field service report in Workforce Mobilizer using a smartphone. Now, first thing that we want to do on the phone is go and locate the QR code application. So right now I have here downloaded this QR and barcode app. There are dozens of them on the Play Store or on the Apple Store as well. You go to your job and you find the unit to be serviced. You will go to that unit, you'll identify where the QR code is posted on the unit and go and scan it as such. Now, once the QR code is scanned, it's going to want to take you to a link to the web to actually go and create that service report. So let's open that link. Now, obviously, first thing it wants to do is authenticate you. So if you haven't already logged in, you'll be asked to log in. And once you're logged in, you will come to the equipments page. Now, on the equipments page, you can find details about this equipment, make, model, serial number, location, things, contacts, when manufacturers, and things of that nature. What we really want to go and see are, first, we can look at what's been done in the past in field service reports. FSR up here stands for field service reports. So by clicking on FSRs, it would show me all previously done service reports, which I could have access to by clicking on the field service report ID. Or if it was completed and posted to the web, I could actually download the PDF version of it. So then what we're seeing here is the actual job number and the field service report ID. So there was a job created in the past. Now sometimes moving the screen sideways will give you more information. But in any case, what we want to do now is we want to go to the PEN in 3 dots, or standing for pending. And this will show us all the jobs that are scheduled for this equipment. So, and what we're going to be looking for is which job that we are on. So as you can see here, you have the job number, you have the type of service, it's a preventive maintenance, you have the scheduled start and end date and time. You then have the FSR with a create link. Now, the field service report may already have an ID, may not already have an ID. Most of the time, if it's an emergency call in your first visit, there's probably not a service report that was created because the unit was probably not identified as the one to be serviced. So when you come here, you're going to click on the create button. But if there's already an ID there for a service report number, then you click on that number. That's a blue link with an underline. If the job had been completed already, you would have the completed date and time over here on the lower right. So what we want to do is we want to go and click on this create, and we are asked the question, are you starting this job? So unless you've previously already said so, it would not ask you the question, but otherwise it's going to ask you that you're starting this job, and we're going to say yes, which is going to put a start date and time on the actual activity and your arrival. This can also notify dispatch that you have arrived on site to perform that job with automatic notification. And now we're up to the actual service report. Now, a few things to note that are important is that there could be more than one field service report per job, simply because there could be more than one unit to be serviced on a particular job. So be leery about having multiple pieces of equipment, having to scan multiple QR codes. And this brings us to the actual field service report, which we'll see on our next track. Thank you.